Hello everyone. Today we are going to speak about coconut water. So here we are in Bali, in a very beautiful and gorgeous beach, just like paradise, spiritual paradise to them. And as I spoke to you in the previous video, we are going to talk about the properties of coconut water. In Ayurveda, coconut water is not just a matter of minerals and this kind of stuff. Coconut water, it has the properties of being, it's not actually cold, it's cool, and it's also very unctuous. This means that it increases kapha in the body, and also it makes us more with our basic essence of life, the Rasa Dhātu. It nourishes the Rasa Dhātu. So when we go to the beach, because of the sun, because of the wind, because of the seawater, the salt, we start to lose the essence of life in our tissues. That is the, thank you, the Rasa Dhātu. Thank you very much. Nice. Look the size of this coconut. It's huge. And the water is also great. So when we are doing exercise like surfing and we are swimming, here the water, it's just like for hydrogymnastics. What is the name of the beach? I don't remember the name of the beach. I will write down. Because here there is so many beaches. We are still in Bukiti area, and this one, it has a lot of hills on the side. The coconut is really good, and there is a cliff here, so we need to go by the motorbike and so on. And I was doing some hydrogymnastics in the water, and there is sun, and our body starts to lose the it's not actually blood in a sense that we say in the West, in the Western medicine. It's about the part of the blood that it's mainly related to the ability of feeling nourished, of being satisfied, prinana. In Ayurveda we call this Rasa Dhātu. And when we get a lot of exercise in the sun, we lose our strength and the ability of being focused and this kind of stuff. And coconut water is the best natural Gatorade that nature has ever made. Because it has the ability to directly and instantaneously increase the Rasa Dhātu. So when you're doing exercises, and it's in hot places, and it's in dry places like the beach, the best thing that you can do is look to the nature and see that it gives us coconut water. But if you're in a cold place and you think it's going to be healthy for you, not necessarily coconut water is going to be good if you live in a cold weather and it's like winter, okay? So if you're in a, wow, that wave was really good. So if you're in a place it's sunny, it's hot, and it's dry, and you're doing surfing and this kind of stuff, especially in windsurfing, please drink more coconut water. This was 25,000 Indonesian rupees, and I don't remember how much this is in dollars, but okay, it's cheap. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Namaste.